Hello everyone, I'm Lulu. Welcome to Bluetimes Lab.
I'm Quincy. Today we'd like to take a video to help you guys to understand the difference between those three types laser marking machine from Bluetimes.
That's right. These are CO2 laser, UV laser, and fiber laser marking machine. Three types of laser, three unique features.
Someone like fiber laser as it is widely used in the market, and the others prefer the UV laser because it can mark on more materials. So how exactly we choose the marking machine to more suitable for our applications?
Wait, we are putting them into the test from the core principles to material marking effects and speed.
Let's go.
First, let's meet our three contenders. All of them are from Bluetimes, stable, precise, and ready for a firefight.
The wavelength of the fiber laser is 1064 nanometer, which belongs to the near-infrared light. It produces excellent results when marking on metals and hard plastics. Furthermore, it has the advantages of a compact structure and a long lifespan.
Next up, the CO2 laser. It is powered by a gas mixture like carbon dioxide, emitting at 10.6 micrometers in the far infrared spectrum. It's perfect for non-metal materials like wood, leather, and acrylic.
Finally, the UV laser, with a wavelength of 355 nanometer. It belongs to cold processing, with virtually no thermal effects, focusing on extreme precision. It can also mark on a wider range of materials.
Three different lasers, three different wavelengths, and also totally different features. Alright, let's do some practice and check the results. We've got three common materials. Let's see which laser performs best.
First up, stainless steel. Fiber instantly creates a sharp, high-contrast mark, clean and crisp. CO2 barely reacts at all. UV works, but is slow and costly.
Next, wood. Fiber, difficult to create marks. CO2, dark color, resulting in a great visual effect, but there will be smoke. UV, clean and clear, but with a lighter color.
Third, glass. Fiber, difficult to create marks. CO2, the marked surface after treatment is transparent, but there are debris during the marking process. UV frosted effect has high control accuracy, and the printed QR codes can also be scanned.
Quick takeaway: for metal, go fiber. For non-metal, pick CO2. And when it's all about precision, UV is your best bet. Each type of laser has its own arena, which it truly shines.
So like the fiber laser, it mainly mark on the metal materials like the cap and the metal sheet and so on.
And CO2 laser marking machine is more suitable for the wood, leather, and the non-metal materials.
And the UV laser near can mark on all materials, but especially for the glass.
So before you buy, ask yourself what you are going to process.
Exactly. Choose the right machine can make your work well done.
Each laser has its own strengths. If you want efficiency, go fiber. If you want creativity, choose CO2. And if you need ultra-high precision, it's UV all the way.
Plus, all three are built by Bluetimes, delivering stable performance, consistent beam quantity, and precise power control.
No matter which type you choose, Bluetimes has a complete solution ready for you. Bluetimes laser, light up your creations.
So through this video, which laser is more suitable for your applications? I hope it can help you well. Thank you for joining us.
Drop your thoughts in the comments and what should we test next, laser cutting or engraving?
By the way, if you like it, remember to like, follow, and subscribe.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.